Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. The respective project title is Construction Planning and Transportation. Let's see the abstract. The project main aim is to comprehensively model the activity travel patterns of workers as well as non-worker in a household. The activity travel system will take as input various land use, socio-demographic activity system and transportation level of service attributes. It will provide us output the complete data activity travel patterns for each individual in the household. In addition to the short-term activity travel decision, longer-term decision of household location, employment and auto ownership are also considered. This report presents detailed frameworks for modeling both the medium-term and the short-term decision. The medium-term choices made by household and the members have a profound impact on individuals' daily activity and travel patterns. The short-term decisions include office management like manager, accountant, office superintendent, mechanic, office assistant. These frameworks draw the overall conceptual frameworks developed but was suitably modified to accommodate data availability and limitations. Let's see the data flow diagram. In site selection, there are three land categories: ground level, abnormal level and surface level. Only government lands will be approved for depot construction. The land information will be sent to the land selection committee members for verification. In land selection committee, there will be 3 managing directors. Any one MD will visit the site and verify the land. If the land is in ground surface level, they will approve the land for construction. If it is abnormal surface level, they will add additional cost to make filling to change that as a ground surface level. Once they approve, the cost of land and information will send to the finance committee for final approval. In finance committee, approve the land cost and land details. Finance committee has to decide the cost of land approved or non-approved. Here, finance committee acts as a major role in this process. In security role of action, there are office building, canteen and screw rest house mechanic management. In this management, they will get the mechanic worker or other workers information and the experience, personal information, salary per month, shift schedule of working process are under this management. In screw rest house management, the process the drivers can know the way of toilet or room number allocated to them. They can know the direction of canteen, office building and other buildings. They can search any building through the site to know the exact way to reach. Let us see the project. This is the home page of this project. In About Us, you can view the address and the contact number. In View Us button, this site shows how construction services are planning and what are the main roles of their jobs. Our site is dependent on depot construction. Press this one. You can see the construction format. To get into our site, press here. You can view the list. In About Us button, you can view the facilities of the site and the service and response of the site. Press site selection. In site selection, there are 2 categories. One is site selection head, site selection member. Selection head only have the authorization of allocate the work to the member to visit the land. Press login button. The head should provide the username and the password. The username is admin and the password is 12345. Click onto the sign in button. You have logged in successfully. You will get the selection member. Selection member work allotment must be allocated by this form. Head must select the candidate and preferred location, timing, date for visiting the site. These informations are maintained in remote control. The head should approve the sign. Click onto the approve button. The work allotment is successfully approved. Now selection member have to view the allocated work. So go to selection committee member. Have to enter the member name and the password. Successfully log in. To know the schedule of the day work, press here. It will display the work allocated to this person. If you want to know the whole work, press here. You can see the whole allocated work. Once a place is visited by this member, go to accepted button. Here, the person should enter the land details. They have to mention the land type, soil type and the land cost and the square meter of the land. Then click onto the submit button to submit the land details. To take a printout, click here. You can able to take the printouts. Now go to home page. The land details will transfer to the finance committee member. They have to approve the land by conducting a meeting. You have to go to board meet. The board meeting will be conducted by the MDs. User has to select the meeting date and the reason of the meeting. The meeting head should be selected and the participant members. Press submit button to approve the meeting. The meeting is successfully uploaded. Click this button. You can view the meeting dates and the reason for the meeting and the MD participant and the member participants for that meeting. Click report button. You can take the printout. To exit, go to home page. In way to guide us, the unknown person can able to know the directions of canteen, office and the other buildings. They can search any direction through this website to know the exact way. From this, the project gets concluded. Thank you.